We also closed one job from last 1 week. That's like 20, 25,000 of job.
That's our very first lead from the Aimeazy agency, and we closed that. So we are a house renovating company based here in Brampton. So we do most of the jobs our in GTA and nearby areas. So before we don't do any most kind of marketing and stuff like that. Mostly our jobs are from references or from our known peoples and like word to word from here and there. So, and we are not getting that many leads by that. So we are just producing like 2 or 3 leads per month. And after that, we realized that we have to do something about it. And then what we did next, my teammate can guide
So
you.
then we got some reference about the agency known as Aimeazy, who came in and helped us around getting the help with the marketing process, which really made us busy with the leads. We got like around 16 to 17 leads in the last 15 days. That was really good. Like we have been working for a long time, but we were not getting that many leads in these last days. But the Aimeazy really helped us to boost our business in the last few days. So we are really happy working with the Aimeazy, and we hope for the better future with this.
Yeah, so Aimeazy really is a game changer. So they changed our lead generation like strategy totally. So now we are getting 15 to 20 leads in just like 2 weeks. So that's like a game changer.
We are really happy. We also closed one job in last like from last 1 week. That's like 20, 25,000 of job. So that's the first job we got from MD agency.
Yeah, that's our very first lead from the image agency, and we closed that. Yeah, so that's wonderful experience with the agency, and we are looking forward to work in future as long as we can with the agency. Image agency is the best.